Hi, welcome to Tamail. My name is Mermaid Paisley, and today I received a letter from Lindley. She writes, Dear Mermaid Paisley, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is actually blue. She also says the mermaids are pretty. Thank you so much, Lindley. And she drew me this beautiful picture, colored me this picture, and also sent me this picture of her and her beautiful mermaid tail. Thank you so much for writing me, Lindley, and I hope to see you here soon at Bikini Springs State Park. Bye!